Hello guys, welcome to this video. Many a times you have this problem that all your design files are in mono color. In this case, I have 21 design files in black color, and you have the task to change all these design files into white color. Doing this manually will take a lot of time. So today in this video, I'll show you two simple methods which you can use and create white designs from all this black color design. This use case is generally required when you sell print on demand products and you have two different kind of template. In this case, let me just show you my templates. I have this beautiful sweatshirt mock-up, and this is the other one. So the first mock-up template, I have the sweatshirt in white color, whereas the second one, I have the sweatshirt in black color. So these designs are beautiful, but when I place this design on the black, this does not look good. So I would want my designs to look, I would like my designs to change the color to white when it is placed on the darker color template and change to black when I place it on the lighter color template. So there are two methods to do that. First method, I'll be using our bulk mockup Photoshop plugin that will help us do this very quickly and create mockups in automatic manner. And then next, I'll also show you a method where we'll record a Photoshop action and do this on a standalone batch process. So let me first show you the template method. Open this template. Look at the smart object layer in this template. In this case, this is the smart object layer. We are supposed to place our designs over here. Let me place one of the design on this. Okay, we'll save it. And here is the design. This is perfectly fine. Now what we can do, though all these designs are in black color, we can leave this as it is, or just to make sure that even if we have white color designs, this will go, if we have white color design, this should come out as black. So select this smart object layer, go to effects option and click on color overlay. Over here, select the color black and click on OK. So adding this effects color overlay will make sure that any designs that we place it will turn into black. Even if we add a pink color design or maybe, a yellow color design or a multicolor design, it will change it to black. Okay, I will save it. I'll be open my second template. This one. Okay, find the smart object layer, place one of our design. I'll pick up the same design. I think this is the right position. Yes, sir. Now, again, we'll follow the same step. Go to effects, color overlay, and instead of black, we'll select white. And that's it. Any designs that goes into this will turn into white. Now, our templates are edited. And now, we do not want to keep two different copies of the design file. In that case, this is the best applicable workflow. Let me show you. If I go to bulk mockup, put in the bulk design folder. We have our design files. These are our design files. Okay. And then we have our export folder. Create a new folder. export, and hit on start generating. So let me just, in the meantime, let me just show you the export location. So these are the design files. So all the black color designs will go, all the black color designs will go on the white sweatshirt, and the white designs will go on the black sweatshirt. Just wait and watch. We have only 21 of them. Look at the speed at which bulk mockup is working. Now I think the black designs will come out now. After 21 files, we'll see the black sweatshirts. And there you have it. On the black, we have the white designs. So no need to keep a duplicate copy of your designs in black and white. All you can do is add an effects layer on your smart object layer, and that will take care of changing the design. So bulk mockup has done its job. It exported all the files. Black design on white sweatshirt, white designs on black sweatshirt. So this was the method. The other method would be using a Photoshop action and saving a new copy of the design. So pick any of a design file. We do not need Photoshop bulk mockup for that purpose. We'll go to Windows, click on Action. We'll create an action folder. We'll call it Change Color to White. All right, and we'll create color overlay white. You see this red button? This indicates that we are recording the steps following now. Whatever steps we do, it will be recorded. So select the layer, go to Effects, Color Overlay, and again normal, change it to white, hit on OK, save it, save it, saved, and then stop the action. That's it. Go to File. You have this option Automate. You can click on Badge, set this perfect, action is perfect. We'll choose folder. We'll select this folder because this has all our designs in black. Source folder is this. Do we had an open? No, we did not have an open. Include all subfolders, not required. Suppress open file, no. Suppress color file, no. Destination, we'll have folder. We'll select designs in white. There are no files over here. Okay. Override save as command. Do you want to override? Yes, we want to override because when this option is on, files will be saved to the destination folder only by save as steps in the action. If there are no save or save as steps, no files will be saved. So I do not want to override because we had the save option, but we want this batch command to save it. Okay. Document name, extension name. We did not. Do we want to change the design name? Maybe we could add a extension. We could add _white. So I will know that all our design files are in. Okay. Starting serial not required. And we'll click on OK. I think it's already working. Let us check. There you see. It's working on the backend and we cannot pull our designs in front of this fetch command. Anyways, I'll show you. Here you can see the designs are turning into white. It will take some time. Just minimize and show it to you. There you go. So I believe the bulk mockup process was much faster. Thank you for watching the video.